Lights in street, midnight glow. Type in dreams in a digital flow. Vixens dancing, beats align, turning ideas into real-time shine. No studio, no big stage, just a spark and a brand new page. From zero to wild, watch it explode. This soul vibe, made by the code. Click, render, play it again. Watch the rhythm come alive, my friend. No limits now, just press upload. Building the future in episode mode. Move with the beat, let the system.
So, real question. Can someone with zero editing skills actually make an AI music video for free? Yes, and today we're breaking it down step by step. No paid software, no complicated setup,
and no selling your soul to a subscription page?
Exactly. Just smart tools and a little creativity.
Okay, before we jump into visuals and dancing, we need to talk about the song itself. Now, if you're someone who already writes songs, lyrics, hooks, melodies, this part's easy. But let's be honest, most people don't want to stare at a blank page. That's where tools like ChatGPT or similar AI writers come in.
You don't ask it to write a masterpiece. You ask it to help you start. Like, write a bright, energetic tech pop song about creativity and the future. Then you tweak it, change lines, remove cringe, add your vibe. Think of AI as a co-writer, not the boss.
Everything starts with the music. For this video, we're using Riffussion.
Which, quick update for anyone confused, Riffussion recently changed its name to Producer AI.
Same idea, new name, AI-generated music from text prompts.
So instead of saying, make me a hit song, you actually describe the vibe.
Exactly. For example, cinematic electronic track, emotional, slow build, modern atmosphere.
And the scary part? It actually sounds good.
Zeros and ones in a perfect flow. Turn imagination into a show. No gatekeepers, no heavy load. Just press create, let it go. Lights in street, midnight glow. Type in dreams in a digital flow.
Why is this better than my playlists?
You generate a few versions, pick the one you like, and export the audio.
Okay, song done. Now comes the big question, visuals.
Before touching any tool, you need a story or mood.
Not a movie script, just a feeling. Most people skip this step, and that's why their videos feel random.
All right, so now you've got your song. Lyrics, done. Music, generated.
This is where most people get stuck.
Because now the question is, what does this song look like?
Now you can use almost any AI image generator here. Google Whisk, Grok AI, PicLumen, or any similar AI image tool. The tool doesn't matter as much as the prompt. For music videos, you don't need complex images. And here's the key. Generate multiple images, not just one. Different angles, different poses, same style. Consistency is everything.
Now we move to Google OPAL for image to video. You can use Grok AI too.
Yeah.
This is where the magic happens.
You upload your music and generate scenes using prompts.
Click, render, play it again. Watch the rhythm come alive, my friend. No limits now, just press upload. We're building the future in episode. In the air, feel the overload. We don't fail, don't fake it, we generate. Go dance in the light.
First, export the video, upload to YouTube. So yeah, you don't need a studio. Just ideas, patience, and the right tools. If this helped you, drop a comment. And if you want more AI storytelling like this, subscribe TechFix AI.
Lights in street, midnight glow. Type in dreams in a digital flow. Vixens dancing, beats align, turning ideas into real-time shine. No studio, no big stage, just a spark and a brand new page. From zero to wild, watch it explode. This soul vibe, made by the code. Click, render, play it again. Watch the rhythm come alive, my friend. No limits now, just press upload. Building the future in episode mode. Move with the beat, let the